While updating any of the Adobe's app, if you face this error, Windows cannot find C program files, common files, Adobe Desktop, common elevation manager, Adobe Installer, make sure you type the name correctly. If you go to this location, this file indeed exists there, but this is somehow giving you error and you are not able to update any of the Adobe's app. So there is an easy fix for this. I have searched all over the internet but could not find a single solution which was correct. After going through lots of trial and error, I found this one simple easy fix for this, and let me show you what is that. First of all, you have to download the Creative Cloud Uninstaller. So this is a zip file. You have to extract it by using any unzip software. All you have to do, right click and extract all the files to a folder. So if you go inside this folder, you will see this Creative Cloud Uninstaller. So all you have to do is now double click on this, and thereafter you will see these two options. Either you can repair or uninstall. You don't have to uninstall the Creative Cloud app, you just have to select the repair button, and it's going to take a while and it's going to repair this. You can see the repairing had just been started. Once that is done, you just need to restart your PC and boom, everything would start working for you easily. If you have any question, do let me know in the comment section below, and the link to download this Adobe Uninstaller is given in the description as well as in the first comment. Go check that out. Now you can see the repairing has been done, and if you go to the Creative Cloud app, let me open this up. Now if you see that you have a clean and repaired Creative Cloud app, so now you can update any of the apps. If you have, just click on that and it would start updating your app. You can see now if I click on the update is now working 100%. If this video helped you in any way, please hit the like button and consider sharing it to help others. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.